Hello, today I'm going to be reorganizing my yarn stash. I started by cleaning down my shelves and wiping them off to get all the dust and dirt. I started with the red, and then from there I worked on the colors that looked best next to that color. But you can organize your shelf however you like. On this second shelf here, I decided to do the rest of the blues, grays, and whites. Here's my finished shelf. I hope you guys had fun organizing with me, and I will see you next time.